For most people, the Amazon rainforest is a vast land of mystery. More than 5 million square kilometers, bigger than continental Europe. But now there's a new way to explore this exciting world. Since 2001, sound artist Augustin Luder has spent over 10 years living in the Amazonian region of Peru, Bolivia and Ecuador. During much of that time, he's made surround sound and 3D audio recordings of rare animals, birds and insects, many of which live in ecosystems that are currently in danger of disappearing forever. The areas of the Amazon in which he spent most time are the Omairi and Hatansacha nature reserves in Ecuador, the Iquitos area of Peru, the Ucayali River in Peru, Manu National Park and Madidi National Park. These regions are among the most pristine remaining in the Amazon rainforest. But many of the native species are in danger of extinction, and these recordings form a sonic archive that allows current and future generations to hear how the rainforest actually sounds. In the dense depths of the rainforest, sound is as important as sight, and the sounds of life here come from all directions. Augustin has dedicated much of the last 10 years, including his PhD-level research, to developing a truly immersive 3D audio experience that closely recreates the authentic sound of the rainforest. The technique works by placing wireless microphones around a large area of rainforest in certain key positions. These microphones can run independently for long periods of time, so people don't need to be near them. Because of this, animals and birds aren't scared and they can be recorded easily. Once this sonic map has been recorded, it can be transferred and miniaturized in almost any size of space by placing speakers in exactly the same relative positions as the microphones. This then allows people to walk through an immersive audio hologram, experiencing the true sound of the forest. When European botanists and researchers first visited the region in Victorian times, they were mostly interested in cataloguing different plant species and giving them Latin names. The native people's relationship with plants was often overlooked, and yet it forms one of the largest repositories of plant knowledge on the planet. Augustin has gained a deeper understanding of this through his friendly relations with many of the local people, including mestizo communities and the indigenous Shuapibo and Shwa peoples. Unfortunately, a lot of this traditional knowledge is disappearing at an alarming rate. With strict adherence to ethical practice and the permission of these local communities, some of the knowledge, the myths, and the stories associated with plants in botanic gardens can be shared using Augustin's audio system. In this way, botanic gardens can play a vital role in preserving this important knowledge that's part of our universal heritage. As long as the intellectual property rights of the indigenous people are respected, this type of project can help to forge links between botanic gardens and the peoples who live in the areas where their plants were found. These links are important, not only from the point of view of sharing knowledge, but also in raising awareness of conservation projects that will help to preserve the magic and the mystery of the Amazon rainforest.